Good day everyone. So for today, let me teach you on how to create Bluecat question. So first go to google.com and then let's search bluecat.com, and then this is their logo. Click Bluecat and then you can sign up in your Bluecat or log in. So if you have your Google account, you can log in via Google. So just simply sign in and log in via Google, and then you may now click your Google account, and then you'll be automatically uh, enter or logging in Bluecat. Okay, and you will see now the Bluecat dashboard. By the way, this Bluecat is an interactive website that you can use to test the understanding of your student in a certain areas or subject. So in order to create a Bluecat question here, so just simply click create, and then or and then you may enter the title of the Bluecat. Let's say this is the title, all of the topic 3.1 questions, and you can just enter as well the description. Let's say for example, it covers questions regarding Ohm's law. Let's say for example, that is only our description. Now, after that, you may also check the setting of your Bluecat question set. So you can click manual creation mode, and then regarding the privacy setting, you make sure that is in public so that others can answer. Okay, so this decides who can find and play your question set. Once you already check all the settings, you may now click create, and then you may now add question. To add question, you simply click the add question here on the left side. Okay, and then you may now create a question. So if you already have your question with you, provided you can just simply write the questions here, and then let's say for example, this is the question: what is the question equation for Ohm's law? So that will be the question, and then you may now create your own choices. So again, better if you already have your questions with you, save in your PDF, or where you are where you have it, you just simply copy and paste it here. Okay, again, it's manual typing, or you can manually paste it. Okay, so for example, this is all the questions and the choices. Now you may check the box of the correct answer. You need to put check to indicate that is the correct answer, and then click save. So you can add another question. So let's say you have many questions to uh, create. So add question once again. Okay, so for example, you already done creating your question set. You may now click save set. Okay, and then once you already click save set, you may now host it in your class. So for example, I am going to host it. So just simply click host here. Okay, and then you may choose what game mode you want. So you can use gold quest. It is a good one as well. For example, you want gold quest, click gold quest and then click host. Once you already click host, using this mode, you will be prompt into another tab. Okay, so this one, and then you will be prompt here. You can adjust the time. You just need to scroll it down for you to see some other settings regarding this question set. Scroll it and you can adjust the time. You can adjust some gold quest settings as well. And once you already okay with that, you may now share it with your class.